Danny Highsocker with Call One helping people do their business better. Today we're going to talk about Plantronics Manager Pro. Now, Plantronics Manager Pro is a subscription service that is a really awesome piece of software. Today, organizations spend hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars on headsets. And the question that we have is, where are they? What did you buy? Who's using them? When was the last time they were updated? Are there rogue devices that are being plugged into your network? How do you know all this information? Well, one way you can find out is through Plantronics Manager Pro. And so one of the things that we're going to show you today is, first of all, we're going to log into Plantronics Manager Pro just so we can show you just a smidgen of what's possible. We were going to try to do it all in one video, but because there's so much information, we're going to go ahead and kind of space this out into multiple videos. So number one, let's just understand what is being used in your organization today. So here in Plantronics Manager, you have the ability to check your inventory, not only the Plantronics inventory, but everything that's being sort of connected to your network. And so you can go here to your predefined reports, one of them being device inventory. You click on that, and what's going to happen is it's going to take you to a little wheel that kind of showcases all the products. And what's cool about it, it doesn't even have to necessarily be a Plantronics product for it to know what's here. So if you look at our organization here, we have a mix. We have multiple brands beyond Plantronics that are being utilized in our organization. And the other cool thing is, not only can I see the product mix breakdown, I can click on the individual ones, and then I can actually see what specific products are being utilized. So here we have a mix of the Blackwire, the Callisto DA series, Savvy series, Voyager series, but check it, I can also see the competitors on the Plantronics side. So maybe you have a subset of your team or groups that are using a competitive product beyond Plantronics. You can see that through the Plantronics Manager Pro. Again, this is just a small piece. Another bit that you can look at is what soft phones are being utilized. So you can, again, you click on your Plantronics Manager, you click on the predefined reports, and you can go into soft phone adoption to understand what's being utilized. And you can see there's a mix of Microsoft, Avaya, Cisco, and others. So again, a great tool for IT folks to have, and we'll do more of these videos. If you like this type of stuff, click like, don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell to get notified as new videos come out. And for more information on this, look at the description box below. Thank you so much.